Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a zipper from a bag. First, gather your essential tools: a sharp seam ripper, a small pair of sharp scissors, and some fine-tipped tweezers. Ensuring you have good, bright lighting will make the process much easier to see. Having the right equipment ensures a smooth and careful removal process. Before beginning, completely empty your bag to protect any items inside and to give yourself a clear area to work. Lay the bag flat on a well-lit, stable surface, such as a sturdy table. Carefully examine how the zipper is sewn into the fabric. Sometimes there are one or two distinct lines of stitching. Understanding this attachment pattern will accurately guide your next precise steps for removal. Start by carefully inserting your seam ripper under a single stitch at one end of the zipper, perhaps near a seam. Gently push upwards to cut only the thread, being very careful not to pierce or tear the bag's fabric. Continue this slow process, stitch by stitch, all along the zipper's length. Use your small scissors to trim any longer, loose threads as you go. Once the zipper is fully detached, take a few moments to thoroughly clean up the area. Use your fingers to brush away larger threads, and then grab those fine-tipped tweezers to pull out any tiny, stubborn fragments still clinging to the fabric. Inspect the bag's edge for any minor imperfections. A thorough cleanup ensures a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.